Happy Wednesday, everybody. Okay, so we are in the workshop today, and as you can see, I've got a new high-vis with Big D with a love heart. Was there a love heart around it? I haven't had a good look. Yeah. Anyway, the guys are having a little bit of fun. And we have got here an ASR 1001X. Now, there's absolutely loads of these coming out of networks. A perfectly good router. However, unfortunately, bandwidth. These require, because of a few things that have happened recently, the bandwidth of these has become a bit of a problem. So, these start at, so first of all, these replace the ISR 400 series, now been replaced by ASR 1001X. And as you see, you've got an SPA module in there, so you could have 4 extra 10 gig ports in there, or 8 Ethernet ports. There's a NIM module in there, and as you can see, you've got 2 power supplies. There is actually a fan module in there, and those are replaceable. And also, there are licenses available for these. Now, so my argument would be that some of these have still got a lot of life left in them. They're still being supported by Cisco. So by default, you get 2.5 gig throughput license on this, and you used to be able to upgrade them to 5 gig, 10 gig, and 20 gig. But if you get in touch and you want one of these with 20 gig or 10 or 20 gig throughput, you can basically get, for the price of a used ASR 1001X bog standard, you could get that with a 20 gig throughput license, and you can get a SEC license in there, enterprise license in there, firewall licenses are available on these. But anyway, as you can see, beautifully refurbished. That looks absolutely brand new again. It'll go into a nice plain box. There you go. Just a quick one for the day. Got to go. See you soon. Bye.